Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I can finally announce the details of the biggest beat contest I've ever hosted. I've been talking about this for a while now, and for the past few weeks, I've been preparing some mad prizes, and I've got some sick companies on board for sponsors too. So the contest is going to be for anyone who got the Prick Kit Volume 3, which is my latest drum kit. So I know it's not completely free to enter, but once I tell you the prizes, you're going to see why. And I realized that all the contests that I've done in the past, all the beat battles on my Discord and giveaways, they've all been completely free to enter. I haven't really shown special love to the people that have actually bought a kit in the past, and that's the main reason I'm doing what I'm doing today, and it's the main reason why this channel keeps going. But I will do a giveaway in this video which anyone can enter. Alright, so to enter the contest, you need to make a fire beat using one of the free loops that I've just added to the drum kit. So I've been working on 10 melodies which are 100% royalty free, and I've updated the drum kit on my website, so you've got the melody pack in it. So anyone who's got the kit in the past, check your emails because you would have received an updated link to download the new version. And for anyone that grabs the kit moving forward, the loop pack will be included. There's 10 drill loops with stems and mostly New York drill sounding, but I'm gonna play you them in a second. So you can cook up as many beats as you want, get as many beat sales as you want. You don't need to include me on anything, but for the contest, just send one beat over. I'm gonna be announcing 3 winners on the 22nd of April. So your beats need to be sent to me by the 21st of April at 12 AM, just so I've got the full day to go through everything and select the winners. So what I'm looking for is a placement type beat, and what I mean by that is it's not one of them battles where you need to go crazy with the beat and have 808s flying everywhere. It's more about having that end goal of getting an artist on the track afterwards. So saving space for an artist is important. I want a nice clean mix too, and just overall creativity. It can be simple but not basic. There's a difference. So for the prizes, I've got a lot to announce. So if you saw my recent poll, I asked everyone if they'd rather have a cash prize or a guaranteed placement and music video paid for. So I was gonna do one of them, but then I thought, why don't I just try and do both? So the winning beat is gonna get a $500 cash prize, the complete shaperbox 2 bundle, the complete baby audio bundle, the full addictive keys collection, Pluto from Cymatics, elements from Ocean, the payback drill loop kit from Dixon Beats, all of the paid packs on my site. So there's 3 drum kits, 2 loop kits, and a 1-shot kit. I'm also gonna send you a Cactus cap and a custom hoodie which I haven't even released yet. But I was also chatting to my boy P Loco. He's an artist from London that I've worked with before. If you haven't heard it already, we've got a single out called Throw It Back, and we've got a new one dropping this month too. So he's gonna be helping me pick the winning beat. He's gonna write to it, record something. It's gonna be mixed by me, and depending on how the track comes out, we'll be doing a music video to it as well. The runner-up is gonna get the shaperbox 2 bundle, the complete bundle from Baby Audio, Studio Grand from Addictive Keys. You'll get the payback drill loop kit from Dixon Beats, all of the paid packs on my website, and a Cactus cap. And then the 3rd place winner is gonna get the shaperbox 2 bundle, the payback drill loop kit from Dixon Beats, and all of the paid packs on my website. So some crazy prizes to give out, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't leave it open for everyone, just because I'm giving away the cash prize, so it's gotta come from somewhere. So yeah, good luck to everyone, and for anyone that can't really afford to buy kits, then I'm sorry to leave you out with this one. I will do a free giveaway in this video, so just leave a comment, and next Thursday I'll select 3 random winners to get the new drum kit free, and you'll also get a free entry for the beat contest. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the new free loop pack that you get with the drum kit. I've got 9 that are ready now, so in the video I'll cook up a 10th one so you can still get some gems from it. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'll quickly show you the loops that you're getting in the free pack, and then I'll make the 10th and final one. So the name of the pack is Battlecry, because some of the loops are quite cinematic sounding. There's a lot of strings, choirs, you know my usual vibe. So straight away, sounding mad cinematic. That choir just sounds mad. This first one could be my favorite loop from the kit. I'll go to the bonus ones after. So a lot of people comment on the vocals that I use, and you'll get them with this pack. I thought I'd add some UK sounding ones in too. But it's more New York. So there's a lot of emotion in these loops. They don't all come with 808s, but I felt like this might inspire you. Another kind of UK sounding one. Violin just goes crazy. And we've got this one. Similar kind of vibe. And then there's 2 in bonus loops. So we've got this one. Quite simple. Quite fast paced. And then this last one, it's not the same vibe, but I was just experimenting and it came out kind of fire. There's different vibes. It's like you're fighting a boss or something. So you get the vibe of the pack, and you're going to get that completely free with the Prick Kit Volume 3 drum kit. They're all 100% royalty free as well, so you can use them in your own beats, sell as many copies as you want. So we'll go for a similar vibe for the 10th one, and I'll use session strings for this one. I just wanted to accent them. Now I want a pad to sit underneath him, so this is when I'm going to do the chords. I'll do the chords with the pad. You know what? I actually want to try something on the main strings. I'm just getting a little bit bored of the melody. This is my favorite effect to use, and I haven't even used it in the pack, I don't think. Straight away, sounding cold. Yeah, I might bounce this and then add to this. Try and invert this. Nah. Yeah, I think just filter out the choir. Something like that. Alright, so quick change of plan. I'm going to add this loop to the kit, but I'm going to make a new one now. So this is another bonus one. So you're getting 11 loops. I'm just keeping this one real simple, but I'm going to think of another one now. Alright, let's go harmonic minor for this one. Chop this one up. Maybe the same down there. Alright, so this loop doesn't really fit the vibe of the pack, but I'll add it in the bonus section anyway, and I'll make the actual 10th one now. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to start with a piano from Contact. I'll just start with a simple chord. Yeah, some progression like this. All right, yeah, just something like this. Keep it simple for now. Just randomizing the velocity a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is just render those chords. I'll do pattern, cut remainder. Now what I'm going to do is reverse this, pitch it up an octave, and then just swap these around. So the chords are basically playing on top of each other and the order's not changing. I just need to fix them clicks and maybe wash it out with some reverb. Just going to wash the high ones out a little bit more, making it a little bit more ambient. So I'm just leaving it a bit repetitive, quite simple. And then let's see what action strings has got. Just something to sit underneath it. Yeah, maybe something just as simple as that. Alright, we've got to add a choir to this. Maybe just something like, yeah, that could work actually. And what I could do is follow a similar pattern to the counter melody. Yeah, it sounds hard. Alright, just to test a few things out, I'm routing them to the same bus. I'll just name it instrument bus and see if we can find any other effects. Alright, this one sounds sick, but I need to bring the wet level down. I'll just keep it as a subtle top layer. Let me try with halftime actually. Maybe a bit too slow. Ooh. That sounds cold. Might keep it like this, you know. EQ out some bottom end. And that might be the loop done. Alright, so I won't add anything else to this loop. I think that's enough for you guys to work on. And now you've got 12 loops in the pack. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the loop. Just to remind you, to enter the beat contest, you need to have the Prick Kit Volume 3 drum kit. For anyone that's got it in the past, there's an updated download link. So check your emails, you would have received it. If not, then my email's in the description. So send me an email and I'll send the loop kit over. I'm looking for a beat that's ready to get an artist on it because P Loco is going to be jumping on it. So think about leaving space for artists. He mainly spits over drill beats, but it doesn't have to be drill. So yeah, just do your thing. And once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.